So I strongly believe that partnerships and relationships are key in strengthening and evolving businesses in a digital world. And we do that at Nerdery by meeting our clients where they are, providing them meaningful outcomes each step of the way, and throughout the journey provide them with a good experience. Because we strongly believe that outcomes without good experience doesn't build long-lasting relationships and partnerships, and both of which are key in long-term growth. So first of all, I'll say we have built a flexible and scalable organization which can pivot to the needs of market and our clients. We do this by constantly upskilling our folks through not only technology, but also business and soft skills, with an aim to build a team of all-round skills so that they can have better impact on not just business, but also society. We also focus on a core set of strategic solutions to help build our clients' digital maturity. And we do that by modernizing their systems, harnessing the power of their data, and help build their digital products, processes, and teams. We are laser focused on our clients' unique needs rather than applying some standard templates across industries and markets. And through our cross-functional capabilities, we help them identify and also realize their opportunities. So we work to think and act like product teams. We have built a set of accelerators and business models to suit our clients' unique needs. And we are constantly building our offerings to serve our clients' expanding needs.